Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys some must-know tips if you are ready to start taking your Etsy shop seriously. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. If you are not already, you need to get yourself in the right mindset, meaning that you need to take the time to prove to yourself or get yourself in the correct headspace to actually start taking this seriously. If this has been something that for a long time has just been a side hustle or just a fun project or a little creative thing you do for fun or just a hobby, for goodness sake, I mean, whatever it is, you need to make that mental switch to say, okay, this is no longer just something I do for fun. This is going to be my business. This is going to be my main source of income, and I am going to take this seriously. Once you've made that mindset, it's going to be much easier to start making that progress towards your business that's really going to allow you to have a successful shop. Tip number 2. You need to be ready to invest your money. Now, this is something that might be a little controversial, and a lot of people think that like maybe you don't need to spend a lot of money to get started. But I truly believe that if you want to take your Etsy shop seriously and you're ready for it to be a true successful business, you are going to have to invest your money at some point or another. So whether that is focusing on improving your shipping, like having nicer shipping bags or boxes or tissue paper or whatever it is that you want to upgrade, or even if it's investing in equipment that's going to allow your business to run more efficiently or smoothly or in a more high quality manner. This is definitely something that a lot of people try and skip corners around, and they want to do things in the most inexpensive way possible. But sometimes actually investing in that upfront cost is going to allow you to have more success in the long run and just seem way more professional all around. So just be in the mindset about this as well, and just realize that like you're gonna probably be investing at some point in something for your business. Don't get sad about it, because that money will come back to you, especially if you keep a positive mindset surrounding your money in your business. I think it's gonna be totally fine. Do not invest in all sorts of silly willy-nilly things just out of the blue. Make sure that you're making a smart investment choices for your business, and you're not just buying everything left and right thinking that it's going to help. Make a strategy so that you can actually make sure you're investing in things that are going to make a difference in your business. Tip number 3 is to look at your favorite brands. And I'm not even necessarily talking about other Etsy shops, large name brands like Target or Amazon, and think about what these big, large corporations have done that have helped them to become a successful business. Now, that might be a little overwhelming, of course, so feel free to choose smaller businesses or people that you know or brands that you've seen online that you love, because these are going to be a really good tool for you to use as inspiration. You can break down so much of what other businesses do and use that for your own business in order to make yourself successful as well. So this might be like taking notes or eyeing down different businesses to see what their sales model is or their pricing strategy, you know, how they have such good social media presence, and just taking note of these different things in order to help yourself build your brand up successfully as well. Now, do keep in mind that, of course, you don't want to go around just copying every single business word for word what they're doing, especially if it's another small business. Make sure that you are staying true to you, your brand, and your own creative mind as well. Tip number 4, if you are not already on social media, what are you doing? We gotta get you started a bit, because social media is where it is at in this day and age. If you simply have a website and upload to it and put your new items on there and don't do anything to get people to your website, you are making a huge mistake and you're losing out on a lot of money. Social media is a free tool for you to drive traffic to your website and your business or your Etsy shop. And it's so important that you're actually making a strategy for it and that you're using it to its fullest potential so that you can grow too. Now, of course, there are so many overnight viral success stories from all of these different businesses who blew up overnight on TikTok or blew up overnight on Instagram and now make all these crazy sales. And guess what? That could literally be you. That could literally be you and your business. But you're not on social media, or you're not posting consistently, or you're not actually creating creative content that people are enjoying. So take some time, step back. We need to start creating a strategy plan for you that you can use to grow your business on social media. I have 3 separate videos, which I will be linking down below. I need you to go and watch them after this one I would highly suggest starting out with the Pinterest video. I'll link it right here and at the end of the video for you. Pinterest is my #1 way that I drove traffic to my Etsy site, and it was a game changer. And I think that it helps right off the bat as a small business because it's not incredibly complicated. And if you've used Pinterest before, then like you're probably already familiar with the platform, but this is such an easy way to go viral, and it's such an easy way to get traffic to your website and get those eyes on your business right away. So I'm going to link that video as I mentioned, and again, it'll be down below. I'm also going to link for you guys a video on TikTok and on Instagram, because these are the other 2 social media platforms that I think can make a huge difference in your business. I don't know what it is, but these little things, oh my gosh, you can truly blow up overnight. I know you're probably thinking, oh, that won't happen to me. That's just a once in a blue moon situation. Like that won't happen. I am here to tell you that literally all of you watching this video have the potential to go viral overnight, because all it takes is for one video or one photo to reach hundreds of thousands of people. Now, I will say that you might have to upload 50 videos before that one video goes viral. But let me tell you, all of that hard work is going to be worth it when that one video goes viral and you start getting thousands and thousands of views on your shop and you start getting all of these sales coming in. And it's just crazy to think about. But I'm telling y'all, like TikTok and Instagram are where it's at. Instagram is improving their algorithm and such to really focus on videos right now. So their Instagram Reels section is popping off. I would create a video in Instagram Reels, save it on your phone, and then go and upload it on TikTok. If you do it the other way around and you upload on TikTok and then try and upload it onto Instagram, TikTok does put a watermark on there and Instagram does not like it. So don't do that. Do it the other way around, save yourself some time. Plus Instagram has a shorter time frame you make your videos on. So keep all that in mind. Again, I will link my TikTok, my Instagram, and my Pinterest video down below for you guys, because you're gonna wanna go and get more details on this whole topic, because this is one that like I could talk to the end of my days. Like, you need to be on social media, and if you're not already, like, come on, baby, we gotta get going. We gotta get going now. Number 5, you need to be willing to invest your time. If in the past this has just been a fun thing, a side hustle, a creative outlet, whatever it be, you probably weren't investing your time, so to say, and you were probably just doing it when you had the time, when you were free, and maybe you weren't that consistent. And when you're ready to take your shop seriously, you are going to have to sacrifice your time and invest your time in order to build and grow your business, because you're going to want to do research. You're going to want to be creating strategies. You're going to be needing to create those social media posts. You're going to be wanting to research and figure out like, what is the next best tool to make my business better? These are all things you're going to have to spend your time on. And honestly, as your business grows, you're going to need to invest more time into it anyways, because you're probably going to be packaging orders and mailing things out and doing customer service and creating new items. So these are all things that happen as you start taking your shop more seriously, and you're gonna need to invest that time into it. And this is incredibly important. So if you're making this transition from it being something fun and creative to wanting to take this super seriously, I would suggest to start marking out times in your calendar and in your schedule to focus solely on your business. So if that is 2 to 3 hours at the end of your day after you've come home from work, or if that's working on it during your lunch hours because you work from home, or if that's getting up 2 hours early so that you can do things without the children bothering you, or to have that additional time, do it, because that sacrifice is going to benefit you so much in the long run, and it's going to help you become successful. Tip number 6, consistency always wins. If you are consistent and you don't give up, you will see success. I promise you. This is the #1 thing I think so many people get caught up on, is they upload 5 listings onto their Etsy shop and they sit there and then they don't do anything for a month or 2, and they come and comment on my videos and they're like, Lauren, I'm not making any sales. What am I doing wrong? You're not being consistent. You aren't uploading on social media every day. You aren't creating strategies that are giving you step-by-step things to do each day in order to grow your business. You're not increasing your number of listings on your Etsy shop. These are all things that need to be consistent in order for you to grow your business. And granted, if you're selling like large items like furniture where you can't upload a new listing every single day, I get that. You know your business and you know what you're selling. And I'm telling you now that showing up on Etsy and, listing new items, updating old listings that the SEO is not working on, posting on your social media pages, and responding to your customers are all things that you need to be doing consistently so that you can make sure that your business is going to grow. What I personally like to do is to create a checklist of daily, weekly, and monthly tasks that need to be completed. And I just make sure that each day I'm going through and I'm like, did I upload on social media? Yes. Did I respond to all my messages? Yes. Did I go through and add a new listing? Yes. And I would do that every single day, every single week, and every single month, because that's what's going to make you move the needle. And that's what's going to make you have more success in the long run, is if you're consistent with these daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Tip number 7 is learn from your mistakes. This is a big one because as an Etsy shop owner or as a small business owner in general, you are going to make a mistake at some point, whether that is messing up an order, I don't know, having a damaged product, something is going to go wrong. Maybe you post something silly on social media. Like, learn from your mistakes. Figure out what went wrong, why it went wrong, why it didn't go well, and then figure out what you're going to do next time so that you're not consistently making those same mistakes over and over. This is obviously just like a life thing in general, but if you want your business to grow, you're going to make mistakes and you're going to have to learn from them so that you can move on and get better. And tip number 8 is to strive to be better every single day. This is something that I am such a big fan of, and something that I think everyone should be a big fan of and really focus on in your business. This could look like a lot of different things to different people. It could be reading self-help books on how to improve yourself and your brain and your body in order to then best, go and apply that in your business. It could be you learning or reading about these new tricks, tips, tools, strategies to grow your business. It could be you researching new things to make your business better. It could literally be anything, guys. It is just you putting in effort every day to be consistent, to grow, to learn, to literally become a business person. It is just, again, investing that time, investing that money, investing in resources and learning so that your business is getting better every day. And I'm telling you right now, like if your business is small and you have a small Etsy shop and you're looking at all these big shops who've been so successful in the past and you feel like how am I going to get from here to there? It's because they took one little step every single day towards their goal. They worked hard and they learned and they built and they researched and they got better and better every single day and built themselves up to where they are now. And you can do the exact same thing with patience and a little bit of hard work and a little bit of luck. I promise you, you can be just like them. Question of the day for you guys. If you guys are ready to start taking your Etsy shop seriously, I want you to take the time right now and comment down below, I am going to build a successful business, or I am going to build a successful Etsy shop. Use this comment as a way to hold yourself accountable. It is out there in the world. It is there for everyone to see. And now you are holding yourself accountable for what you're about to do, which is to take your business seriously and to make it successful. So comment down below. I'll comment back to all of you guys. I cannot wait to see it. Right here on the screen for you, I'm going to link the Pinterest video that I mentioned earlier to you guys, along with an entire playlist full of other Etsy related videos that you'll want to go and check out next. Down here, you're going to find 2 subscribe buttons, one to this channel here where I upload every single Friday, so make sure you subscribe, as well as my other second channel where I upload more fun and lifestyle content. Without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.